Hello everyone, welcome back to the Droid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Wayfinder Login Failed Error, which is happening for many of the users right now, and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about if you're having this issue, we need to check your internet connection. For this we just need to go over here. So if you're connected to the Wi-Fi, make sure that you're having good internet connection, or else you can also try connecting to other network which is available. If you're having anything, you can try connecting to it, and you have to check whether the issue is solved or not, because most cases this particular issue, login failed error, is happening because of the network connection. So you have to check this as the first one. Next one, we have to allow the game to Windows security. It worked for many users, so just go over here in the search, and we have to go to the control panel, go to system and security, go for Windows Defender Firewall, go for allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here we have to keep scrolling down, and we have to go for Wayfinder. So right now, as you can see, this is what it is, that is private and public. So you have to make sure this is added. So here it is already added. So if it is not added, we can add it. Just click on the change settings, and we have to go for allow another app, go for browse, and we have to go to this PC, go over here in this PC, go to local disk C, I think, go to program file x86, go to Steam over here, go to Steam app, go to Steam app over here, go to common. Now from here, as you can see, the game is not installed here, so we have to go to volume D. Now from here, go to Steam library, go to Steam apps, go to common. Now keep scrolling down and navigate to Wayfinder. Now from here we have to select it and go for open, and we have to add it. So I'm getting the error because the game is already added. So once you add it, we just need to close this, and we need to go back, and we need to try launching the game. Next one is all about nothing but you can also try depending on the VPN. Sometimes the region of here might be having an issue, so try connecting, use a VPN and try connecting to any other country and see. Now these are the possible workaround which can be done. I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.